The Tulane Law Review, a publication of the Tulane University Law School, was founded in 1916, and is currently published 6 times annually. The Law Review has an international circulation and is one of few American law reviews carried by law libraries in the United Kingdom. History. The Law Review was started by Rufus Carrollton Harris, the school's 12th dean. Charles E. Dunbar, Jr., the civil service reformer who became a Tulane law professor, served on the board of advisory editors of Tulane Law Review from its inception until his death in 1959. A 1937 Time magazine about Rufus Harris describes the Tulane Law Review as nationally famed. The Law Review was most recently cited by the United States Supreme Court on April 27, 2010. Membership to the Tulane Law Review is conferred upon Tulane law students who have outstanding scholastic records, a demonstrated ability in legal research and writing. Specifically, membership is chosen based on a student's law school grades and/or performance in an annual anonymous writing competition. Alumni: Michael Barton, KPMG partner, a former Louisiana Supreme Court clerk. Pablo Carrillo, counsel to John McCain. Martin Leach Cross-Feldman, federal judge on the United States District Court for the Eastern District of Louisiana. Mark Firestone, general counsel of Kraft Foods Inc. Victoria Reggie Kennedy, wife of Senator Ted Kennedy. William H. Pryor, Jr., federal judge on the United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit, a former Attorney General of the state of Alabama from 1997 to 2004. Arthur C. Watson, chairman of the Louisiana Democratic Party from 1968 to 1976. Whitney Gaskell, novelist. Significant articles. L.C. Green, Legal Issues of the Eichmann Trial, Tal. L. Rev. 641. Nicholas Deb Katzenbach, Protest, Politics, and the First Amendment, Tal. L. Rev. Barry Sullivan, The Honest Muse, Judge Wisdom and the Uses of History, 60 Tal. L. Rev. 314. Julius Getman, The Changing Role of Courts and the Potential Role of Unions in Overcoming Employment Discrimination, 64 Tal. L. Rev. 1477. William Page, Ideological Conflict and the Origins of Antitrust Policy, 66 Tal. L. Rev. 1. Harry Simon, Towns Without Pity, A Constitutional and Historical Analysis of Official Efforts to Drive Homeless Persons from American Cities, 66 Tal. L. Rev. 631. Frederick M. Lawrence, Civil Rights and Criminal Wrongs, The Mens Rea of Federal Civil Rights Crimes, 67 Tal. L. Rev. 2113. Miriam Galston, Activism and Restraint, The Evolution of Harlan Fiske Stone's Judicial Philosophy, 70 Tal. L. Rev. Michael B. Rappaport, The Selective Non-Delegation Doctrine and the Line-Item Veto, A New Approach to the Non-Delegation Doctrine and Its Implications for Clinton v. City of New York, 76 Tal. L. Rev. 265. Robert Ashford, Binary Economics, Fiduciary Duties, and Corporate Social Responsibility, Comprehending Corporate Wealth Maximization and Distribution for Stockholders, Stakeholders, and Society, 76 Tal. L. Rev. 5. William W. Bratton, Enron and the Dark Side of Shareholder Value, Tal. L. Rev. Joel W. Friedman, Desegregating the South, John Minor Wisdom's Role in Enforcing Brown's Mandate, 78 Tal. L. Rev. 6. Royce D. Rowan Barron's, NASD Regulation of IPO Conflicts of Interest, Does Gatekeeping Work? 79 Tal. L. Rev. James F. Barger Jr. al. States, Statutes, and Fraud, An Empirical Study of Emerging State False Claims Acts, Tal. L. Rev. Robert H. Land and John M. Connor. How high do cartels raise prices? Implications for reform of the antitrust sentencing guidelines. Tal. L. Rev. Rebecca Page. Forcible medication and the Fourth Amendment. A new framework for protecting non-dangerous mentally ill pre-trial detainees against unreasonable governmental intrusions into the body. 79. Tal. L. Rev. 1065. Stuart P. Green. Looting, Law, and Lawlessness. 81. Tal. L. Rev. 1129.